Hola amigos, this is a collection of last minute super tasty eats for the Super Bowl this Sunday. We're going to start off strong with a crispy chorizo cooked with melted cheese on top, and it's such a delicious appetizer, perfect with tortilla chips. It's a must for any entertainment. Then of course the classic guacamole. And if you want a no-frill salsa that just requires chopping, then you are going to love the classic Pico de Gallo. And this is also great for dipping or for topping. And then we have a creamy cheese cooked in a mild or spicy red salsa. It's so delicious on chips or on tortillas. And then another favorite of mine is an Anaheim chile salsa that you can make mild or spicy. And then this is my avocado, corn, and bean salad. And it's so easy to make. It's just chopping and mixing some ingredients, and it makes a delicious appetizer with a big pile of corn chips. If you want tacos, these crispy flautas that are made with shredded tofu are perfect for you, and you can put them in the air fryer oven or you can deep fry them, and they're very easy to make and they're very, very filling. Keeping with the taco theme, these are my very popular crispy potato tacos that are very budget friendly, easy to make, and you can add all your favorite toppings. And these are such a crowd pleaser, and again, they're not going to break your budget. Now, one of my favorite and most popular recipes are my vegan Quesabirria tacos that require a little bit more work, but they are absolutely worth every step. Then we have these easy to make chorizo tacos, which you can use homemade or store-bought vegan chorizo, and then add your favorite toppings. Don't forget a roasted jalapeno salsa. That's so delicious. The recipe is also on my channel already. To finish, we have these vegan fish tacos that are made with tofu, and they are so scrumptious. You're going to absolutely love them, and I have different options for your toppings that you can choose from. Thanks so much for watching, amigos. All of the recipes are linked below in the description here on YouTube, as well as I will provide you with printable recipe links to my blog. Have a beautiful day, and I hope you enjoy the game.